a lot of red flags. The tantrum in and of itself. So I think I would maybe be curious if that was like a reoccurring pattern. Like a guy that throws tantrums, like that's a childish behavior. Like that's not getting what you want. So you're gonna act out. Well, what does porn in a porn addiction provide to you? Provides you exactly what you want without having to put out any work or effort. So men run to pornography when there's periods or situations in their life that they can't handle and they need a release or they've been rejected. So they've lost control. They grab onto something, complete control. But it's an act out of a child. I have a friend. He runs a similar program, more focusing on the pure Christian side of things. He calls it a pacifier. Pornography is a pacifier for young men that don't want to grow up. So I think tantrums, like if just adding more red flags here to the women. If a guy acts out, if he throws temper tantrums, there's a reason why. I'm not going to say specifically it's a porn addiction, but grown men shouldn't be having temper tantrums. It's not a masculine trait. So I think those are red flags as well. Like when you have a conversation around intimacy, is it actually a conversation about intimacy or is it a conversation about sex? So if the conversation around intimacy is always leading to sex, whether it's physical sex, penetration, oral, ejaculation, whatever, if intimacy leads you to sex, red flag, you need to probably explore that.